Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, you guys, so something happened to the audio when it came to my clip, so I'm just going to go ahead and voice over from this point forward. So in the box, I did get a Shea Moisture shirt, which I have on in this video. It just says sheabassador on the front, which I thought was really cool. And so pretty much this is the Manuka honey and yogurt repair, hydrate and repair line. So it's really great for repairing the hair either from heat damage or over processing. And also too, this is really great to use when you're using heat as well. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna jump right into this tutorial, and then towards the end I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about each product. So let's go ahead and let's get started.
Just be right. Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand.
You guys, so this is next day here. Okay, we are into the next day after that. I do have a little bit of a texture shot before I did anything with my hair as far as like putting edge control on it or gel on it for my ends to stick it in this puff, and I will enter that clip here just so you guys can see what my hair looked like before I put anything in it. and I didn't use anything else in my hair. I only wanted to use this line so I can really give you guys an honest upfront opinion about how I felt about this line. Did it work for me? So I have notes, so we're going to get into each product individually because I have a lot to say. Now, the shampoo was amazing. When I'm telling you this stuff, I was gonna say this stuff is very moisturizing, it's very cleansing. It left my scalp feeling a little tingly. I love this shampoo. And you guys know that I'm really addicted to the coconut hibiscus shampoo. I don't pick up any other shampoo by Shea Moisture. That is like my go-to shampoo. Well, hey, we got us a new friend. Definitely like the way this lathers up. I like the way that it cleansed my hair. I only had to shampoo my hair once with this, and it's very, very moisturizing, and I love moisturizing shampoo. So I give this a 10. This right here, bomb.com. Next is the Hydrate conditioner. Now, I was torn with this conditioner because number one, it's really thick, and for me, in my case, my in-between conditioners before deep conditioner, I like more watery conditioners or something that has a little bit more slip. This really didn't have a lot of slip, and when I went into detangle, I didn't really like it like that. It didn't really let my comb like glide through the hair, and I like to detangle with my conditioners. That's what I like to do. So I mean, it was good. Now, on the flip side, when I rinsed this out, the definition of my curls and the moisture of my curls, of my hair, was amazing. So it did, after I rinsed it out, it did leave my hair feeling really soft and my curls feeling really defined, but I just didn't like it for my detangling purpose of what I like to use conditioners for. So I'm kind of torn on it because I'm like, yo, it left my hair really, really soft and really like defined. This is an in-between for me. It's like, I probably won't be picking this up again in store, just for that fact of it. But overall though, it's a very, very great conditioner. So the next thing I'm really excited about, this one excites the crap out of me. All right, so this next one that we're going to talk about is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment. You guys, y'all, now this stuff is thick. When I'm telling you, it's not going anywhere. Like, this is a really thick slap your mama freaking conditioner, okay? And my notes here, I said that it's deliciously thick. Best applied to dripping wet hair. Now, I feel with this, or in my case, my hair being damp, I think was a little bit it didn't give me a lot of room for applying the product. When my hair seemed like it was kind of drying up on one side, it made it harder to kind of get the product to work in. So I would suggest, or in my case, I would say use on dripping wet hair, but it may be different for somebody else. But anyways, so in my case, I used it, I would say using it more on like more saturated hair. Now I did say that this won't be my go-to weekly deep conditioner. I don't see myself using this every week. I feel like this is like maybe an every other week type of treatment, or maybe once a month type of treatment for my hair, something to really get in there and really deeply nourish it. I did apply a plastic cap with this, and I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It's not recommended that you do that in the directions, but I always like to add heat with my conditioner, my deep conditioning, because you guys know I do have low porosity hair. And then lastly, it left me with amazing moisture and definition. You guys see in the clip, yo, this left my hair feeling really, really good. So this is something that I definitely would pick up again. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way. And did I say that the line smells delicious? Like, it smells delicious. It's deliciously thick and it smells delicious. Like, the line smells freaking amazing. So definitely would pick this up again, okay? Next, we're going to talk about the leave-in conditioner. Now, this leave-in conditioner, I put a question mark, because I really gotta use this a little bit more. I mean, it was fine. And one of the things that I noticed though, when I was doing the tutorial, I noticed that, I guess with this line, because it's hydration, my hair held on to more water, or it absorbed more water. I don't know. My hair just seemed like it just was absorbing or holding on to more water. So when I applied this on the first time in the back of my hair, I applied, I think, a little bit too much. And so it was just squeezing out of my hair more so I started to use less of it as I went around my head, and that seemed to work better. This one I liked, but I don't really, I want to play around with it a little bit more, or use it a little bit more to see if I can say for a fact that I would rebuy it. I don't know, question mark about this one. I don't have a say. It didn't leave my hair feeling super amazing, nor did it leave my hair feeling crappy. And then lastly, now I want to say, out of all these products here, this one has to be hands down something that I'm definitely going to be repurchasing, hands down. Something that really did intrigue me, because I'm like, whoever thought this was a genius. And I'm talking about the Manuka Honey Repair Split End Balm. Now you can use this on dry hair and you can use this on damp hair. I chose to use this on damp hair because, let me tell you something. When somebody says, or when a product says you can use it on damp hair, and it is of this consistency, it's not like it's a water consistency. It's like a pomade. It's like a pomade. So when you say, like, you know, oh, you can use that on damp hair, usually pomades and damp hair are oil and water. They don't go together. But when applying this product on my ends, yo, you guys, the amount of it just melted into my ends. It just melted into my ends. It also made me twisting my hair so much more smoother. It just made my ends glide. And usually when you're going along, you're twisting, you would apply more leave-in conditioner or even more gel. You guys, I'm definitely going to be picking up another one of these. I'm definitely going to replacing how I work with my ends with this, because I think this too can also very well help you to retain that length. And I talked about that in another video about length retention and what you're doing, but I think this will be a key product to retain length. I am really excited about this product, and I'm really glad that I was able to get my hands on this entire line. My hair still feels very moisturized. It feels really great, and the whole line, the whole line in a whole is good. I think if you have very dry hair, or if you're suffering from breakage, whether it's from, you know, like over processing or your hair just being dry, brittle, the hydration line is really great for you to get that moisture as a whole back into your hair. If you guys have tried any of these, let me know down in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.